right, guys, Dan's on. Get her, Dan. Oh, she's bringing the boat into the bridge.
More motor.
Give her the beans, Dan.
Get us away from the bridge, dude. Get me out of these islands.
All right, I got you.
Get that net ready. All right, we're good, we're good.
I'm just gonna center it.
Okay. Oh, nice striker. That's one. Grab that net.
Yep, I got you.
Taking room. Oh, come on, boat.
There you go. Just watch that motor's on.
Yeah.
She got her. Oh, we need a bigger net.
Boom!
Nice job, dude.
Oh.
All right, let me get back on the helm real quick.
Yeah.